Turn your aspirations into a keepsake by creating a vision board bingo card with the Canon IV2 mini photo printer. Let me show you how. Before we get crafty, let's get to know each other a bit better. I'm Cecily, the artist and owner of The Paper Curator, a lifestyle brand sparking joy and inspiring creativity with colorful and artful stationery, gift, and craft products for the modern creative. Now, on to the project. Grab your aspirations and write them down on 2 by 3 inch pieces of paper. This is the same size as your mini photo prints, so it's perfect for this project. To create a standard bingo card layout, you'll need 25 pieces to work with. Here are the basic supplies you'll need to create this project: some white cardstock, the Canon IV2 mini photo printer, a pen or marker, some scissors, archival adhesive, and a mounting board. If you want to get fancy, you can create fun borders for each of your aspirations with stamps, papers, or washi tapes. You can make these visible even once your bingo card is filled by creating larger 2.5 by 3.5 inch cards. Let's walk through your options. For stamps, you'll want to create a border that leaves room for your aspiration in the center. This striped frame from the Paper Curator's captured stamp set is perfect for this project. Or if you'd like your frame to be visible even after you add your photo, you can create a frame with something like this pattern play stamp set from the Paper Curator as well. Just ink up your stamps in your favorite color and create your frames. For pattern paper, you can just choose your favorite color or design and trim it down to size. Mix and match colors and patterns for a keepsake that's truly your style. For washi tape, you can run your favorite design or color around all 4 sides, or just 2 sides to decorate your aspirations with quick and easy frames and borders. Once you have all 25 pieces of paper, it's time to arrange your aspirations into a bingo board that you can fill in all year long. You can create your bingo board by mounting them to a cardstock sheet or clipping them to a magnetic surface. To mount them onto a cardstock sheet, you'll need some archival adhesive, a ruler, and a sheet of cardstock that is at least 12 by 17 inches or 16 by 20 inches if you're going with the visible border card size. Align each of the pieces into a 5 by 5 grid and mount them with adhesive. I recommend leaving at least a 1/4 inch between your pieces for the cleanest look. For a quick, interchangeable version, you can grab some magnetic clips and arrange them on a magnet board or your fridge. This is the quickest and most flexible option, and you can always choose to mount them into a frame or scrapbook page once you're done for the year. Now that your bingo card is ready to be filled in, just go on living your life, and once you accomplish an aspiration, snap a picture and print it out with your Canon IV2 mini photo printer. Then just peel the back of your photo to reveal the included sticker backing and replace your handwritten aspiration with the photo of you doing the activity. Once you've completed your entire vision board, you'll have a one-of-a-kind keepsake you can treasure for years to come. It's the perfect snapshot of who and what was important to you this year, so consider framing it or keeping it in an archival box to look back on. Translating your vision board to real life has never been so fun.